Good morning, guys. How are you? This is just Monday, 17th of September, and today I got two stocks that I'm looking at for the week. I don't have any stocks that I'm looking out for today, although these ones could possibly be potential, but I'm just looking at them for the week because I don't have the buying signals yet for today. So with that being said, let's go to here and here. Okay, so I want to do a quick recap on what happened on Friday with my two stocks before I move into that. So I'm going to move on to MFIN. MFIN had a very good day. Really happy the way it turned out. At some point throughout the day, when I look at the 5-minute, I got a little worried on the because of this green candle. Whenever I see a long wick on top, usually means that it's being rejected at that level, and most likely the bears are going to take control of the stock. But the volume died. There was just really no trading on the stock throughout the day, which for a day trader died. That's not good. But for swing trading throughout, it's okay if it happens. And eventually the volume started to pick up, and it broke the 50 mark. So I'm going to look at it today and see if I can just take some profits. It depends on how it behaves and how the market's doing. I do know that I have a 670 target that I need to wash out with 684. It's the 684 is the resistance. So, and it got rejected. It was the 672, this big red candles. So anything above 650, 660, I'm most likely gonna take profit. That's my plan for that. BDC had an excellent day. Such a good day, but going back to the day, it just right out of the gate, this thing just pop up, boom, 749, and that was it. It was the opposite. 749, and the volume just stayed dead throughout the day, and that was it. So this could have been a nice quick day trade, couple minutes and you're done, but it didn't happen. So even though it broke the height of the day, here my limit order didn't get triggered because it jumped. Like the high for this day was 71.76, and the low was 71.94. So between that gap was my order, so I never got filled, and that explains why I was not able to take profits on that. But that's okay. That's okay. Now moving to today's ticket symbols. So I have FSS. Now FSS, it's funky because it's been trading with extremely low volatility for the last couple weeks, and it had this nice pop-up because of the earning calls. So something good happened, and then it just consolidated in this range. So what I'm waiting for the week, this is why I'm saying I'm not looking at trading this today. This is more like I'm watching it throughout the week. I wanted to break this consolidation. I wanted to break the consolidation and go for this new high. So when I look at this, the high on the green, talking about 2683. I mean, on the red, on this red is 2683. On this other red is 2626. So look at the Bollinger Band here. The high on the Bollinger Band is 2676. So essentially anything above 20, I think that I'm gonna put an alert when it breaks this high candle, 2683. Let me do that now. Just going into my phone because that's what I use throughout the day. So I'm gonna put ticker symbol FSS, and I'm gonna set an alert for 2683 or above. There we go. All right, that's done. So then the next one it will be, let me look at it because this is for the week. So let me see if I have a weekly. Yeah, it's a weekly here. So let's look at it. Yeah, so when we look at the week, this is what we're looking at, guys. So we're looking at 1, 2, 3, 5 weeks in a row when this thing has gone sideways. Now last week we're still on an uptrend because we can see that yellow line above the blue line. So we're still on an uptrend. But like I said, we gotta break this 2681 high from this candle. So we can do that, and we can go around for the 28 profit target, since we know that this was heavily rejected at 28.32. So that's the plan on that. The next one that I'm looking at is, no, it's not FN, it's HFWA. I'm gonna stay on the weekly chart because this is for the week. Now when we look at the weekly chart, this is on a nice uptrend. Okay. We had this week when there was more like a indecision / more reject week. Had a high of 3738, and we broke that this week. Broke that this week. The MACD is looking nice for the week. So I'm gonna set another alert for HFWA. Yep, and I'm gonna say that I want to be alerted when it goes above 3740. So I want to see how. Okay, now let's go back to the day, see how this is doing on the daily. On the daily, we have a nice kind of engulfing pattern. We have this big green candle swallowing this red candle here. So, and just breaking above this Bollinger Band that was heavily rejected on 827. So the potential for this one, if the market behaves accordingly, is good, so that it will go towards this 3740 high. Right now the high is 3725, so it's not too far away. So I think that if it breaks it, we might see some pullbacks, because it's early in the week. We might see a pullback in look at the features. We might see a pullback because last week the market just it almost hit a brand new high. Let's see, the high on this day was, yeah, you see these are the features. The high was 2917.25 and we have 2917.50. So we almost broke to an all-time high, and today we're pulling back as of now. Now that can change. Let's look at SPY, see how it did. So yep, yeah, so the high for the is 291.74, and the high for that day is 291.04. So we almost broke to an all-time high. Oh, this one 291.27, yes, still. And even though this is like a hammer candle, it seems like it lost some of the steam because it ended up red, and the MACD is showing signs of weakness. So we gotta see what happens today. With that being said, guys, let's analyze that. Let's go back here. Okay, we're back. So with that being said, guys, this is what I'm watching today, and throughout the week I might get some new ticket symbols, but it all depends on how the market does this week. It's been up and down like crazy, so it would not surprise me that we'll start going down this week. So let me look at the overall markets. I don't know if you can see this, but yeah, when you go to Fidelity, you can see, yeah, these are it shows you pretty much the international markets, how they're doing. So, and let me see, there you go. So you can see some of them are red, some of them are green. So there's more red than green, so you just gotta wait. And pretty much close all my positions on Friday, except for MFIN, because I got filled on that day. I didn't want to lose a day trade for that. So like I said, I gotta keep an eye on that one. If it goes above 660, I'm probably gonna take my profits and see how the market does in the next couple days. Okay, so with that being said, guys, this is just me sharing my thoughts. I'm not telling you to buy, to sell, or anything like that. Just hopefully you see some value in it. If you don't, that's okay, and see you tomorrow. Thank you and God bless.